Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, wheel covers, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.